Hi everybody. Here is something most important marketers haven't noticed yet. Soon you will start seeing social media traffic inside Google's Search Console. For years, Search Console has mainly shown data from Google Search. But as AI search, social platforms and search behavior continues to evolve, the way users discover content is changing rapidly. Imagine being able to understand how your content on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and other social channels contributes to your overall search visibility and website performance. The future of SEO isn't just about ranking on Google anymore. It's about creating content that performs across search, social, and AI-powered discovery. If you're still treating SEO and social media as two separate strategies, you are already behind. So start building content that works everywhere. Follow FCR Bytes for latest updates on AI marketing, SEO, and YouTube growth. Thank you for watching.